Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another new episode of Finch King YouTube channel with Bulbul Big Boss. In this episode, I will talk about 10 most beautiful finches in this world. Before starting the video, those who have not subscribed to Finch King YouTube channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the notification. And those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Finch is a small bird that has been domesticated for its beauty and song. There is a good number of pet finch people breeding in a cage. In short, you can say pet finch mean cage breeding finch. In this video, I will show you 10 most beautiful finches in this world people breed in cage. Parrot Finch. Parrot Finch is a bird from Galapagos Island of Australia. This dark color bird is a teeny in size and looks so beautiful. Red face, blue face, lutino, sea green, and pied mutation are more popular in parrot finches. Gouldian Finch. Gouldian Finch is a beautiful bird and most colorful bird of Finch family. It has 5 primary mutations: green back, yellow back, blue back, silver back, and white back. They have multiple head and chest color also. If you want to know more about Gouldian finches, you can check our video. I'll put the link on the description. Star Finch. Star Finch is another beautiful and popular bird in Finch family. The bird has white spot on its body. However, if you look at the bird from distance, you will see many star signs in the green body. Red face green, yellow face green, lutino, yellow body, and blue body are common star finch mutation. Owl Finch. This bird is called owl finch because it looks like a small owl. This double bird finch is not so colorful but beautiful. Fawn and grey are the primary mutation of owl finch. Longtail Finch. This bird is called Longtail Finch because of its sharp long tail. Below the neck, there is a round black beak. Normal grey, fawn, albino, and cremino are the most popular longtail finch mutation. Marks Finch. This finch bird is called Marks Finch because it has a black marks around its face. It has only 2 mutations. In Finch family, this bird is so popular. Corden Bleu Finch. This is a small finch bird from sub-Saharan Africa. The male bird has a red cheek and the female has no cheek. This finch has a blue cordon on the lower part of the chest from the bottom of the beak to the tail. Diamond Firetail Finch. This bird of the sparrow group is known as the Firetail Finch for the red color at the beginning of the tail. Black, fawn, pied, silver and white is the popular mutation of Diamond Firetail Finch. Zebra Finch. Zebra Finch, one of the most popular finch in Finch family. Almost everyone who has a finch has a zebra finch. There are many types of mutation in zebra finches. The most popular mutation are full body orange and emo zebra finch. Society Finch. The Society Finch is widely known as Bengali Finch. In addition, Society Finch is known as foster for raising any finch chicks. There are 2 types of Bengali finches, crested and non-crested. White, chocolate, fawn, Europal is the common Bengali finch mutation. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you think this video is useful, like it, share your opinion, share it with your friends. Stay well, stay healthy, stay tuned with Finch YouTube channel.